You see on this show, we're just adding toppings to help you with success. So we have Dr. Hickory back on the show. I know we got cut off there, Dr. Hickory, but we left off with what do you do behind the scenes to make sure these cases go well for the practices, and how do the patients interact with you through the app as well?
So what the technology allows me to do is treat patients in our remote locations, in our participating practices, and get as good a result, even more efficiently today than I was getting in my own practice just a few years ago. So that's where I'm like an associate in that practice.
You're an associate. We don't even have to count you in for the pizza for lunch because you're not even there. Right. Say, look, that's a benefit.
I wanted to ask about my benefit practice.
Yes, exactly.
Package, but,
I'm glad you came back on, Dr. because I think you're just one of the most awesome, classiest dentists I met. But you've been to many CE events in your life, right? Small ones, big ones. When did you graduate from dental school? I wanted everyone to be proud of your how long you've been contributing to our field.
It was 79.
79. So I was born 77. So you've been to a lot of CE events. I want to ask you authentically, what did you think of our Super Dentist Boost event? Was it different than ones you've been to? And did you enjoy being part of that?
It was very enjoyable, and it was different in that, it was a smaller group, which is nice. There's a lot of interaction, and it was fun. And that's us,
MBF.
That makes it very special, because learning has to be fun.
Totally.
They've proven that you don't retain if it's not fun.
Yeah, well, that's my point is that, we all operate with bribes and threats to ourselves. So, you got to join us at Graffiti Bar and have edamame dumplings and the bao buns after a course. And everybody wants fun in their life. So, I mean, I'm really, I wanted to ask you that because I know you've been to many CE courses and you've been asked to speak at CE. And I think we can kind of funify CE so that people look at it more as something that they want to go to as opposed to some sort of requirement they need for their licensing.
Absolutely. That was great.
So just as we wrap up, how can people reach out to you directly? Maybe someone wants to talk to your team about how this process works. What's the best way for them to do that?
Well, first, they're more than welcome just to drop me an email. It's drhickory@evenly.com. That would be drhickory@evenly.com, or just go to our website, evenly.com.
Awesome. And we'll drop that in the chat. Well, really be proud to be your friend. So glad we got Nacho offices doing this. Our office is enjoying it. You guys have built a great culture. However you guys hire these treatment coordinators, they are just phenomenal people. We love when they come to the office. So thanks for all of that.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Dr. Hickory. So this is something I really think you should think about adding to your practice this year. Do the lunch and learn with them. Their treatment coordinators are great. Dr. Hickory's great. They make it so much fun and they make it super easy for you to be a part of it.